Hi, I want to talk about my cheap Amazon electric bike. I bought this bike for less than $1,600. Um, Shipping took about 1 week and a half, and this is a 350 watt motor, but this bike is the same thing as the Zhejiang Assist. And the Zhejiang Assist is sold as a 500 watts. So I'm certain this is a 500 watt because it's pretty powerful, and when the battery is full charge in the fifth level assist, I can go to 35 kilometers, which is pretty fast. It's a 15 amp hour battery, so I have a good range. Uh, I did a ride this morning, 56 kilometers, and I took 1 bar of battery. So this is pretty good. I have an indicator right there too. 3 bar on 4. So plenty of battery left. So 48 volts. It came with the rack fenders. I had to buy this rear view mirror and a light for the rear with blinkers. But it came with a front headlight, which is pretty good when the night comes. It's a 27.5 inch bike with 2.8 inch wide tires. It's pretty wide tires. It's like a mid-size between a classic bike and a fat bike. Because a fat bike usually have 4-inch tires. So it's like it's between a regular bike and a fat bike. Pretty good in the gravel, in the mud. It's good in city too, on the road, on the paved road. I already have 700 kilometers at the odometer, so I ride pretty. I did a lot of mileage with my bike since I have it. I bought this bike about a month and a half ago. It has a 7-speed Shimano speed. It doesn't have speed on the front, but it's not a problem since it's electric assist bike. It has a throttle too, right there. I'll try to show you the wheel. Oh, I can. I can because I have to hold the camera. But I recommend this bike. I'm very happy with it. However, I have two little problems with it. When I received the bike, there is a little assembly to do. Front tires, the handlebar, the seat, the pedals, and that little screw right there for the caliper pads was missing. So the seller sent me another brake caliper. So I replaced this brake caliper. You can see here. And I had a problem with the fork. The suspension fork had a pretty big loose in it. Especially when I was turning, I felt like a weird loose, and the chuck was not walking properly. It was shaking when when I was pressing it. So I wrote to the company, to the seller, actually, and they sent me a brand new fork. It took about 3 weeks because it was coming from China, direct from the factory in China. Um, I did 60 kilometers with my new fork. It seems to be good now, but it's a decent quality bike for the price at $1,500 on Amazon. So I recommend this bike if you want to, if you don't have a big budget for a bike, or if you don't want to pay too much for a first electric bike, um, and if you are the do it yourself, if you are good with do it yourself, this is a good e-bike to buy. Plenty of range. You can see this morning, like I said, I did 56 kilometers and 4 battery left, riding in the third level assist. Well, of course, I was pedaling all along, but I can do over 100 kilometers with a single charge, which is pretty amazing, I guess. So that's my bike, my first electric bike. I'm very happy with it. I commute to work, I do bike rides, and I enjoy this bike. So thanks for watching, and I see you next time.